Here are the latest tech-related topics now. Nvidia's Project Digits. Nvidia has launched Project Digits, a personal AI supercomputer powered by the GB10 chipset, designed to run large AI models. Lenovo Yoga Slim. 9i. Lenovo introduced the Yoga Slim 9i, featuring the world's first camera-under-display technology. Google's Pixel 4. Update. Google has rolled out a new update for the Pixel 4a, which includes a free battery replacement for affected users. AMD's RDNA 4. Architecture. AMD showcased its new RDNA 4 graphics architecture, along with Radeon RX 9070 GPUs and Ryzen 9000 X3D CPUs. New audio format. Samsung and Google have collaborated to introduce a new royalty-free audio format as an alternative to Dolby Atmos.